Hi, I'm Doug from Office, and this is what's new for Office 365 subscribers. Once you get the update, you'll be able to enjoy these features. And we'll start off with your new personal writing assistant in Word. Editor introduces new ways to improve your writing. When the pane opens, you'll notice the word is seen in context in the sentence to make sure you're picking the right word. For example, the word effect is used instead of effect. That's a common word choice error, and we see the synonyms for both to help you choose the correct word. If you need more information for our grammar rule, you can find it with this arrow. Even if you don't have the pane open, Editor is working. See this dotted underline? Right-click to see the explanation and accept the suggestion if you want. And of course, if you need more information, you can open the Editor pane. In Excel, go to the Options menu, tap Data, and you can now personalize the default layout of your pivot tables. So if you want the totals displaying differently or use a different form, you can set it once and it will be your new default. Better yet, if you have a favorite look to your pivot tables, simply tap in it when this menu is open and import. Those settings will now be your new default. In PowerPoint, you can record your presentations right inside the app. Go to Slideshow, Record Slideshow, and here's the menu that pops up. Recording allows people that missed your presentation more context. Instead of just reading your deck, they get to hear your voice, your passion. Now, you're probably staring at that picture in the picture. I think that's a great feature, but you can turn that off here or the camera altogether. Once you're ready, tap here to record. Go through the slide deck and animations by tapping the arrows, or use your keyboard arrows. To emphasize, you can use markers that will be captured in the recording. Also, any notes in the slide deck can be viewed here. These aren't recorded, but act like a teleprompter, so you can review key points or even script out parts of your presentation. In Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, you've always been able to add links, but you might have to hunt through folders to find the doc. Now when you right-click to insert a link, you'll find your most recent documents. So now you can quickly tap and insert a link. Also, when you want to add a linked doc, right-click where you want to add it, and you get the title of the doc automatically versus a long, confusing URL. In Outlook, look for your inbox to be separated into two tabs, Focused and Other. Emails that matter most to you are in the Focus tab, while the rest remain accessible but out of the way in the Other tab. You'll be informed about email flowing to the Other tab, things like newsletters or machine-generated email. But you can fine-tune Outlook. If something goes into the Other tab that you'd rather see in Focused, just right-click and tap Move to Focused. Likewise, if you see something in the Focus tab, you can tap Move to Other.